Welcome back. South Goa Collector Andy Agarwal inspected Madgaon Police Station on Saturday. This is Collector's first inspection visit to the district headquarters and police station after taking over the charge.
Annual inspection of the Margaon Police Station was carried by the South Goa District Collector Andy Agarwal on Saturday. He carried out a 2-hour-long inspection for the first time after taking the charge.
This is a normal inspection, yearly inspection. Yeah. This is yearly inspection police station, sir. I think this is after my joining third station. Before that, I Sami I check up, Pepe I check up. So this is normal inspection.
The situation conforms to the rules?
It is as per the rules, no?
No. After your inspection, what have you found out?
No, it is normal thing, sir.
Agarwal will submit this report to the Home Minister. Our reporter from Madgaon, Sameer Bhatt.
A Keralite Ansil Aziz has been arrested by the Madgaon police for committing theft of a vehicle. Sources say that the car belongs to Dr. Hubert Gomes.
Anil Aziz, aged 27, a native of Kerala, was arrested on Saturday by the Margaon Town Police in a car theft case. Margaon PI Sudesh Naik informed us more.
Further, during the interrogation of the said driver, it was revealed that his name is Mr. Ansil Aziz, aged 27 years, native of Kerala. And during the search of the Indica, it was seen that the rear number plate of the said Indica was tampered with and pasted one sticker number plate, which was not the original number plate. Accused admitted of having committed theft of the said car from Peda, Banauli.
Sources say that the car belongs to a prominent citizen, Hubert Gomes. Naik informed that Kolwa police have been intimated.
The said car bearing number, original number GA08F 3435 is attached. In this connection, that is a theft of car, offence has been registered at Kolwa police stations, and we will hand over this accused along with the property, that is car, stolen car, will be handed over to Kolwa police station.
Our reporter from Margaon, Sameer Bhatt.
Homes and Estates Heritage Homes magazine containing collection of heritage houses in Goa was released on Thursday. The magazine has been published by Findal Communications and Publications. Dr. Fleur D'Souza was a special guest for the function.
Homes and Estates, a heritage home magazine containing collection of heritage houses in Goa, was released at the hands of Maria de Albuquerque on Thursday. Dr. Fleur D'Souza was special guest for the function.
The houses of Goa remain and will remain an illustrated textbook of an age gone by.
Maria de Albuquerque says that youth should be proud of their ancestors and change their mindsets that government jobs would make them rich. She says that government should help the owners of heritage houses for maintenance.
The young people of our days have to be proud of their ancestors and change their mindset that only government jobs will make them great. And Mr. Shirodkar showed me the letter of the Duke of Braganza and of the Prime Minister. I inquired if they had taken any measures. Mr. Shirodkar told me that yes, they were working on it. And I asked him what had been done, and then rather innocently he informed me that it had been decided to help for the preservation of heritage houses with 10,000 rupees per house. I laughed and said, Mr. Shirodkar, this is not sufficient for a small toilet.
Associate Professor of GIM, Cedric Serpis, says that owners take care of the heritage houses with love.
They lovingly looked after their homes. And every house is big. It's not one of those spooky little flats where you bump into each other all the time. No. These are huge bungalows. The walls are 2.5 feet thick. There are huge bay windows, curtains flying in the breeze, so much of light. And when you come in to visit them, the graciousness is what gets you.
A reporter from Panaji, Pratik Parab, with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
It's high time cricketers run the affairs of cricket in the state. A loud call was sounded by former Goa Ranji star Suresh Mahadevan on Saturday. Now one of Goa's first Ranji cricketers, Prabjit Singh Sandhu, has filed his nomination. Sandhu, who has stayed out of the elections and GCA's executive committee up till now, feels the time has come for ex-cricketers to prevent malpractices happening in Goa Cricket Association and run affairs. But Sandhu is waiting to back the right panel ahead of filing his nomination.
Sandhu is one amongst a few former cricketers who has shown interest in contesting the GCA elections. However, the Salkar cricket team manager is waiting to play his cards right.
Yes, as an ordinary member, and maybe today evening or tomorrow morning, after consulting the group which we are supporting. So maybe by tomorrow it should happen.
Have you ever been in the executive committee or the managing committee of GCA?
No, never. I have stayed away from it. I have mostly been attached to the selection committees or as a team manager, those kind of things, but stayed away from this.
Any reason now why you feel that it's apt for you to contest these elections? And
I think after the changeover which has taken up after the earlier committee, some of the members who have moved out, it looks like there's more opportunities for cricketers who are interested in developing the game in the managing committee. And hopefully, I think we should be having a lot of like-minded people whose interest is the game.
You're consulting a few members and with a group, and you're going to come ahead. Could you shed some light on that? What is the group being formed, and is this a political scenario?
No, nothing of that. It's not any political scenario. It's like people with like mind coming together and all, see. And that is the existing committee. Maybe some new members are there, and we are trying to work out what will be the best 15 in the committee.
So you're looking at a selection of 15 members, not to play on the field, but to play it in the office rooms.
Yes, they'll be in doing the administrative jobs only, and I do hope we have able cricketers to look after the teams.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.